Instagram has added some new messaging features to their app. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the new Active Now, Quick Send, and @Silent features on Instagram. Now let's get started. You can now easily see which of your friends are currently active on Instagram right at the top of the direct message interface. This makes it easier to know who's online and help you decide who to chat with. To get this feature, you need to have your active status enabled. To enable your online status, go to your Instagram profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. Tap Privacy. Then scroll down and select Activity Status. Tap the switch labeled Show Activity Status to turn this feature on. Another new feature is Quick Send. This makes it easier to quickly send posts to the people you message most frequently. To use Quick Send, hold down the message icon below a post you'd like to share. Then slide your finger to the profile icon of the person you want to send the post to. The people that appear in the Quick Send menu will be automatically chosen based on who you message the most on Instagram. The third new feature is called @Silent. This feature allows you to send a message to someone on Instagram without sending them a push notification, so it's perfect if you want to message someone without bothering them, like during work or when they might be asleep. Simply type @Silent at the beginning of your message to send your message silently. That does it for our overview of Instagram's new direct messaging features. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.